Introducing the iRobot Roomba i4 Evo Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum, a cutting-edge cleaning solution to revolutionize household maintenance. With its enhanced features and intelligent technology, this vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. From personalized cleaning schedules to advanced dirt detection and adaptive cleaning habits, this vacuum adapts to your lifestyle, ensuring thorough cleaning tailored to your needs. Ideal for homes with pets, it effortlessly sweeps up dust, dirt, and pet hair, leaving floors immaculately clean. With seamless integration with voice commands and automated scheduling, this vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning, delivering a smarter, more convenient cleaning experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Enhanced battery life. This vacuum boasts a 20% larger battery compared to other Roomba i-Series robot vacuums, ensuring extended runtime for more thorough cleaning sessions. This upgrade is a significant improvement, offering users the convenience of longer operation between charges. Number 2. Personalized cleaning experience. Equipped with iRobot OS featuring Imprint smart mapping technology, this vacuum learns and adapts to your cleaning preferences. Whether you desire specific rooms to be cleaned on a set schedule or impromptu cleaning sessions, enhancing convenience and efficiency in maintaining a tidy home environment. Number 3. Powerful 3-stage cleaning system. With its advanced 3-stage cleaning system, this vacuum effortlessly sweeps up dust, dirt, and debris from various floor surfaces. This comprehensive cleaning capability ensures thorough removal of particles, including pet hair, leaving floors immaculately clean and fresh. Number 4. Precision cleaning technology. This vacuum employs precision cleaning techniques, navigating in tidy rows back and forth to ensure every inch of your floors receives attention. Its intelligent navigation system enables seamless maneuverability around furniture, while its ability to resume cleaning tasks after recharging ensures a complete cleaning cycle. Number 5. Enhanced dirt detection. Utilizing iRobot's patented dirt detect technology, this vacuum identifies and focuses on dirtier areas within your home, ensuring they receive extra attention during cleaning. This feature enhances the vacuum's efficiency in tackling stubborn dirt and maintaining cleanliness throughout your living spaces. Number 6. Pet-friendly design. Ideal for homes with pets, this vacuum features dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types and prevent tangling with pet hair. This innovative design ensures effective cleaning while minimizing maintenance hassle, making it a perfect choice for pet owners. Number 7. Adaptive cleaning habits. This vacuum learns your cleaning habits over time, offering suggestions such as additional cleanings during peat pollen or shedding seasons. This proactive approach ensures that your home remains consistently clean and free of allergens, adapting to your lifestyle for optimal convenience. Number 8. Voice command integration. Compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant-enabled devices, this vacuum responds to voice commands for seamless operation. Simply instruct the vacuum to clean specific areas or initiate cleaning sessions using voice commands, enhancing user convenience and accessibility. Number 9. Automated cleaning scheduling. With the flexibility to set automatic cleaning schedules, this vacuum can start cleaning when you leave and stop when you return, aligning its operation with your daily routine. Additionally, the iRobot Home app provides cleaning time estimates, informing users of the duration required to vacuum each room, further optimizing cleaning efficiency. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.34 inches length by 13.26 inches width by 3.63 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba i4 Evo Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum sets a new standard for home cleaning with its innovative features and intelligent design. From its extended battery life to personalized cleaning experiences and pet-friendly capabilities, it ensures a hassle-free cleaning experience tailored to modern lifestyles. Whether tackling everyday messes or seasonal challenges, this vacuum is a reliable companion that consistently delivers exceptional results, making it a must-have for any household seeking a smarter, more effortless approach to cleanliness. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.